Usually forward, go through YouTube, try to find something that makes sense, and then play it, and then God damn it, but that one just resonate with me same time. This one Shaggy and Demarco. I haven't seen Demarco in ages, and you always see Shaggy. You always see Shaggy. Shaggy is always here. So that one here is Demarco featuring Shaggy. Do it again. Zane, guys, please like, share, subscribe, get the word out. God damn it, like the goddamn videos. Please and thank you. You know what I say already. Music is my drug. I love getting high, and that is all I need. For real. I just drink sometimes. Anyways, yeah, pre Shaggy and DeMarco, do it again right now. Alright, so we're pre that one, yeah. Let's see what go on with it. Alright. Yes, Brit? You're not gonna like this. You know, say you're not like this. You don't like it? You love the girl wind up on them thing there, which you shouldn't like at this age. You want to try pre it? Come. You see them right here, sir. Put on here. Pull this up here, sir. Right here, sir. Oh, boom. Alright, so, yo, right off the bat, peeps. Zane, this bad. Me respect the instrumentals that hit me a while ago. You see me? So I put it up again. You see what I'm going here, sir. Woke up this morning, a little bit after 10. My life's complicated. Cause she was really my friend, even though we're both wrong. Yeah, I wish we could do it again. Yeah. That's a problem in a yo, I know exactly where this song is going, and it's not a good place. Yo, when you go out with a catty and you know it's really and true that your friend still, and she say, you know what? Yeah, my friend too. And you really want to just grab her and pretend you sure you want this, right? And I same thing she a think too, you know, but she not gonna say. Unless she me pay for you, because I put myself in a problem. I wish we could do it again. Woke up with a smile on my face. Last night was a hell of a night. We made memories I'll never erase. Can't forget the love that we made. The 2 hours they are dead on the place. You see that a while ago? No man I say you're going. He man can't go out and the man wake up with a smile on his face and he man give you like, yo, go on, because you would never understand this. Wait, mind the mic, go on. She understands sooner or later. But man, I get like, we made love last night. That's what they're thinking. That's what somebody always are thinking. You know, either the guy or the girl. They get like, yo, you said last night, bad, but maybe right now she gonna say, yo, yes. Or maybe right now you gonna say yes. And really and truly the next person I get like, yeah, let's go get groceries tomorrow morning. Best friend. I'll punch you. That's annoying as hell, yo. That's annoying. I've been there a couple of times. And trust me, not really a couple of times. What? Still there's nothing I wanna change. We're crossing line, can't go back again. And even though I don't want a friendship end, last night keep playing on my mind like over and over again. Woke up this morning. Wait. A while ago, the man talk like them actually do it. And it's like, it will never happen again. And she's like, it will never happen again. Which also happened. And you can't really go back to where it started. But that's what the girl always says. And the guy is always going to say, babes, everything good. Zin, nothing is going to be a problem. We're okay. Come on. I call you again tonight, you can't come over again. The damn girl always says, goddamn no, I don't know why. Maybe I'm me alone soft. Me no know. you are going to know.
I can't stop thinking about you now. None of me phone calls I got you now. Leaving me so blue now, girl. I'm missing you now. I know you have feelings for me, girl.
True. So goddamn true. Because after that, you call her, you say, babes, you reach home alright? You reach home safe, but she there with her goddamn man. She not gonna answer you, dog. She be like, really and true, she want to answer, but man, I be like, so your friend a call you so late? And you can't blame a nigga either, yo, this bad. And Shaggy a smile like, this nigga get
But you are my friend. You keep playing on my mind like over and over again. Woke up this morning, little bit happy. My life's complicated. Cause she was really my friend, even though we're
come, you can go answer.
wish we could do it again.
No.
I wish we could do it again.
So, oh, Shaggy, what Shaggy I say? Shaggy, you not hearing from Mr. Bombastic?
Just out, bro. She won't answer my calls, man. Go over the house and knock on the door. I need some advice, man.
Wait, so right now, you might get advice from Mr. Bombastic, Mr. Lover, Mr. It Wasn't Me. Perfect person to get advice from. Who else? Yo, if there is ever a cheating coach, Shaggy.
I can tell you, I will do.
Sugar!
Yeah.
Right now I'm needing your energy. Girl, where you gone? Right now I would give anything to hold you in my arms. Your touch is like a medicine, one dose to keep me calm. Oh, your move is like a melody, your body you perform. Tell them.
Okay. I want to take off the mic. I don't want to take off the mic. I want to keep on. I want to keep play. I want to press play. I want... Brother, Shaggy is... I don't think Shaggy is being acknowledged. Jesus Christ. I'm going to put this right here. Then we're going back here. And we're good again. I don't think Shaggy is really and truly being recognized. Like, Britain, please. No noise, babe. Like the Jamaican icon he is. Him and Sean Paul, people usually like just jump past them. I don't understand that. This man is a legend. Ooh. Maybe you never hear that, but I heard it. But anyways, the man you want legend. The man flow unique. No one has ever copied it. No one can ever copy it. They can try, but they can never copy it. They can copy everybody else with auto-tune and all these things, but this man is like... I'm just saying. It doesn't sound like that. I'm just saying. You see me? I'm not saying the man sounds like a dog, but then again, the man named Shaggy. What else am I going to say? Yo, Shaggy, again.
What will it take to make you say I'm coming back over now to stay? Don't want this friendship to end, but I'll be dreaming of a future with you in it as a lover, girl, and I'm your man. Woke up this morning, a little bit after 10. My life's complicated, cause she was really my friend, even though we're both wrong, yeah. I wish we could do it again.
Yeah, no.
Wish we could do it again.
Yo, I'm gonna end up in problems with this song. Honestly speaking, this reaction, I think it came off a bit too happy. But the truth is, this had me reliving some shit. Seeing some people who you're really and truly not supposed to knock, you end up on knock because really and truly a friend, but things just get a bit twisted. And even though you're probably have one or two, you know, get if you knock them, like, you know, say really and truly you want to knock them, and you can't take you like Michael. You want not the girl, then you're like, oh, we don't want that girl. I'm a friend. Peeps. God damn it. This bud. Shaggy. Demarco. Welcome back, my G. Welcome back. Like, share, subscribe, get the word out. See you outside.